Good morning, welcome to Scott Rods and part 2 of my taillight install. Today I will be removing these lamp brackets, tidying this up, welding it all together, grind it down so that it looks similar to this. Give it some clear coat to protect it a bit. I also need to find the rubber pads. I think I got one with this kit. I should have got two, but I only got one, so I'll need to make another pad for this, just so that I don't have rusty lines running down there. And then once they are all done, we'll do some wiring up, give it some testing. Also, I think I might just remove this panel while I'm at it, reshape this corner, add a bit of steel because it's missing a bit, and then tack it back on, see how it looks. Right, let's get started. Right, let me show you what I have to do. As you can see, I had to cut these and bend them in to follow the curve of the fender. So now what I'm going to do is bend these panels down to meet these sections, but I will have to grind a tiny bit off the corners because of physics and weld them up. Well, I'll need to grind the whole thing down, but weld them up to make a nice curvy shape. Grind them all down, clear coat, back in the car, do the wiring. Let's get started. So I was going to grind these down, but you know what, I kind of like them like that. It kind of matches the car because there's lots of unfinished welding in on the body anyway. So, and if I'm going to be replacing these next year with, you know, the proper Chevy ones, then is there really any point putting that much effort in? I think they look nice. Right, and I need to make the other rubber seal, the rubber base gasket thing, and then I'll get them back in the car. Right, I'm really excited. I'm not going to get distracted by that package though. I'll continue with what we were doing. So here's how they look now. Much nicer silver, right? I'm not really asking you, I'm telling you. But yeah, and you know what, I really do quite like the little welds I've got going on. It's a much nicer fit all the way around. And they're nice and solid. I'm not saying I could lift the car with them, but hopefully they won't flicker and vibrate as I drive along. Right, I'll do some wiring, then we'll do some light testing. I'm not going to fully wire it just now because I've got a lot of interior stuff still to do, but I'll wire it enough to test it. Right, I've waited at least 2 minutes, but I can't wait any longer. I need to know what this is. For those that don't know, if you're new to the channel, and why have you not subscribed for a start? But anyway, if you're new to the channel, I have a Amazon wish list that Jamie in Scotland suggested I set up, and since I added it, you amazing people have been sending me stuff, which is just outstanding. I don't know why. I mean, I'm overcome with emotion. So let's see what we have today and who it's from. One of these days I'm going to cut my finger off with excitement. Oh, it's a box. Right, let's see what's in the box. Ooh. Who's it from? Oh, right, we've got tags. I'll tell you what it is first. It is a panel fastener kit with a billion different panel clips in it, if you can see that. Absolutely fantastic. That's going to help me with the interior panel stuff, and it's even got a nice removing clip tool. Fantastic. Right, who's it from? Who is my amazing subscriber today? A gift note from Lindsay Borland. Enjoy your gift. Short and sweet. Thanks, Lindsay. I don't even see you commenting. Maybe you do comment. Please leave a comment so I can thank you personally. Well, I'm kind of thanking you personally now. Brilliant. Thanks, Lindsay. Really appreciate that. Unless it's not Lindsay and it's just Lindsay's account you've used. Anyway, thank you regardless. So, let me get back to work. Right, I've done some temporary wiring. It is actually permanent wiring at this point, but obviously it needs to be routed. So everything's soldered and heat shrunk, and these nice little plugs makes it easier to take it apart and route it. I'll probably route it all down that side and then in here and then right down the middle with some of that conduit that I've got. So for the moment the side lights are wired to the ignition, so they'll come on with the ignition, hopefully, fingers crossed. And the brake light is also wired to the ignition through the brake light switch on the pedal, but I can't tell if it's working, so that's going to be up to you. I'll put you down here and you can tell me if it works. Right, so when I turn the ignition on, that should come on as the side light, and then when I put my foot in the brake, that one will come on. So I'll do the side light first and then the brake. Just give a shout if it's working right. Ignition. Brakes. Did it work? I need to check the video to see. Back in a sec. Yay, we have rear lights. That's awesome. Well, we have rear light. I need to actually check, the other side, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, I'll show you what's next in the light system. Okay, I have an original Chevy light switch. So it's got the dim thing, so you can, sorry, the dash light dim, okay? You pull it out twice. So once out side lights, two out parking lights. Oh no, now I'm confused. Would that be full beam? Not sure what the settings are. It's definitely get 2 clicks. One click there, another click there. Maybe that's full beam. So let me know. I have seen a video. I can't remember who it was. It might have been Chris Craft. I'm not sure, but someone's got a really good video of how to wire this up, so don't fret about that. The other thing I've got, just one of these little aftermarket jobs. Indicator and hazard lights. So I've got that to wire up. And I was worried that there wasn't any instructions, but here they are. They're on the box. No problem. So I'll need to study that, look into that, and get the wiring sorted on the inside. Still got the headlights to do, but we're getting there. The noisy trucks are back, so I'm going to take this opportunity to make my own noise. This bit's been bugging me forever, and a bit in the door. I'm going to grind them down. Much better. Right folks, that's me for today. Tune in tomorrow for some more nonsense. As usual, please subscribe. Thank you very much. And I don't know what I'm doing. As usual, making it up as I go along. Take care everyone. Bye bye.